Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Adam from GHL Mastery. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how do you create and manage users, as well as understanding all of the different user roles and permissions that you have from the agency level all the way down to the sub-account level. How do you create them? How do you set them up? How do you modify permissions and the things that they can see? So let's dive in. All right, guys, next up, we're going to be talking about the team tab inside the admin or agency level settings. The team tab is where you are going to find every single user that is both at the agency level and at the sub account level, and how you can actually manage their accounts at the admin level, aka agency level of the system. So I'm going to go into my account because you'll see a couple of things in here. You'll see the user type, right? User type is going to be very, very important for managing different things in accounts later on down the line, but you're going to have the agency owner. Okay, so this is going to be the user that you used to sign up for Highlevel. That is going to be the default agency owner. That is the absolute highest level that you can have with this system, which means nobody can delete you, nobody can change your settings. You have full control over absolutely all of it. Okay, the other one that you're going to have is you're going to have agency user. Agency users can see the admin backend. They can see every single sub account that exists inside of your system, and they can do a lot of managerial functions within the platform. And then the next one you're going to see the account level admin. So account level admin is going to be an account specific contact record that can only see their accounts. They cannot see anybody else's. They can only see the account that they are the admin of, and they are going to be able to control some of the major settings inside the sub account, things like billing, and so on and so forth. So that is the admin level. And then you'll also have an account user. The account user is going to have limited permissions depending on how you set them up. But at the team level, in the admin level, aka agency level, you guys can see absolutely every single user that is in your system, whether they be agency users or account users. You can see them and you can manage their permissions from here. So I am going to show you guys a really quick example of what this actually looks like. So I've got my sandbox account right here. Now, if I've created a client account and I need to go and add a user, I can come into the My Staff section inside that sub account and I can go add employee. Now, once I'm here, I can start to give this employee information. So we're going to do Adam Tester, and we're going to do Adam plus Tester at rmmarketing.ca, and we're just going to give me a fake phone number. And we're not going to worry about any of this. We're not going to worry about any of this. Roles and permissions. So this is, again, because I'm creating this inside the sub account level, Adam's AI sandbox, by default, this is only going to be a account level role. Okay, so I'm going to be either an account admin or an account user. Whereas if I was to create this exact same contact over here, I would be able to choose what role they would have. So agency or account. And so obviously when I go and I create this one at the account level, it's going to be an account admin. And then I can select what user permissions they have for the entire system. And I can get very, very granular as to what user permissions they have for the entire system. This is going to create the user in the sub account. Okay, now let's go back out of here. I'm not going to create that account, but I am going to create one over here. So I'm going to go user info. We're going to do Adam Tester, and we're going to do Adam plus Tester at rmmarketing.ca, and we're going to give myself a fake phone number again. There you go. We can go to advanced settings and we can set the password here if we want, but I'm just going to go ahead and click save. Now I can go into the roles and permissions, and I can say that Adam is a account only and an account user, right? Which now gives me granular permissions that I can set for this user. And I can also, at the admin level, select which sub account I want Adam to be in. So I'm going to type in Adam's AI sandbox account. And now this is a user specifically inside that sub account. Okay. I'm not going to change too much here, but what I am going to show you guys, once I've created this user, I'm going to show you what happens to Adam. Now, before I can do the login as, I actually have this email that I have to do to verify the user. So this is part of the added security that we talked about in the company settings. When you create a new user by default, they have to verify their email and verify their account. So this is the email that they're going to receive. It's going to have your company logo. It's going to have your white label domain name, as well as their first name, last name, and their email. And they can just click here to log in. So this is going to be a user side experience that they're going to be getting here. So I'm just going to create a new password. And change password. Continue to log in. Not now. Okay, so I still believe I'm logged in as myself. Yes, I am. Okay, so now we're going to go and we're going to log in as Adam Tester. So let's go into Adam's Sandbox account. Now that that account has loaded, I can come over here and I can log in as, and I'm going to log in as Adam Tester right here. Now, because Adam Tester is an account user, he's going to have limited access to things like billing and permissions here based on what I've assigned them to. So let me switch back to my main account and let's go back over into your team settings over here. Now we can come in and we can adjust whether or not Adam can see other sub accounts. By default, they're going to be inside the sub account that you add them to. If they are a agency, all of a sudden, Adam Tester now has the ability to see all sub accounts unless you want to restrict access to selected sub accounts. I'm not going to go in depth with all of this account settings here because there's an awful lot to cover. For the most part, with most of our clients, we honestly just leave all of these on, and then we limit what they can see based off of the account permissions. There you go, guys. I wanted to show you guys and make it very clear that when you are managing the team inside the agency level, you can manage any and all users across the platform, whether they are agency users or sub account users. And then if you go and you create the user inside the sub account, by default, they will get created as an account user or an account admin, depending on the settings that you have put in there. So with that being said, guys, we will see you in the next one. Take care. Hey guys, I hope you found that video useful and helpful for you getting your company set up in Highlevel and getting your white label started with the Highlevel ecosystem. Now, if you're just starting out your journey in the Highlevel ecosystem, or maybe you're even an intermediate, or consider yourself an expert that just wants to know a little bit more about the Highlevel platform and how you can leverage it, I would encourage you to go and click the link in the description below this video and hop into our GHL Mastery program. What do we do inside of our GHL Mastery program? Well, we have 5 calls every single day of the week, Monday through Friday, for 2 hours a day, where we actually help you get into your system, help you build, help you troubleshoot, and just overall help elevate your overall skill set on the Highlevel platform. So if you're interested in getting hands-on every single day support, plus a couple of bonus goodies, snapshots, AI systems, the like, then go ahead and click the link below to join our GHL Mastery VIP group. And I promise you, you will learn more in 1 month than you will in 6 months doing this on your own. We will see you in the next one. Take care.